The 2024 Audi A4 Avant is a premium estate car known for its superb quality and comfort. While it offers a refined driving experience, it faces stiff competition from rivals like the Skoda Superb Estate and BMW 3 Series Touring. The Audi A4 Avant's 161 horsepower 35 TDI diesel engine is the standout choice, offering a balance of efficiency and performance. The 7-speed tronic automatic gearbox provides smooth shifts, while quattro models ensure excellent traction in various conditions. Inside, the Audi A4 Avant boasts a beautifully crafted interior with high-class materials. The minimalist dashboard features Audi's virtual cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital display. The Comfort Dynamic suspension prioritizes a smooth ride, making it more comfortable than the BMW 3 Series. The A4 Avant offers ample front space and a practical boot, though it falls short in rear space compared to some rivals. The boot's wide aperture and low loading lip make it easy to load, while folding rear seats enhance versatility. Priced from £39,450, the Audi A4 Avant holds its value well. The 35 TDI diesel engine averages over 55 miles per gallon. Entry-level Technic trim offers a good balance of features, including LED headlights and parking aids.